this man. It is up, boy. Artistic, analytic. Are you sick of watch me? Nigga, are you sick of watch me? You and you. Let me see. Damn, man. So are you sick of watch me? Boy, negros are only at. Never know where to go Croatian now, man. Garden of Eden. Celebration. I last saw this tree in Zimbabwe. I never saw it in South Africa. Man, this is wild. Those like big thorns. This thing gets on your feet, man. I promise you. You need to see a doctor. But yeah, man, we're at the garden. Just chilling, man. Just chilling, man. We're at the garden. Soon we'll be at the fish side. The next side garden in Cape Town. Want your plants, you want everything. You can get us here. Get the peacocks, man. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Look at this peacock. Look at this peacock. Bring it closer, Mr. Now if it's Mr. Miss Peacock, don't do that, man. Don't do that. Oh, chicken. There's some chicken up here. Roadrunners. Nice roadrunners, man. Oh, I miss all of this. I miss nature. I miss nature a lot. Look at the art. Look at the art. Oh, okay, the art. It's a bull, bro. I feel like getting a Red Bull. I got my shirt on, but I feel like getting that Red Bull now. So I see something like a real bull. Look at this. You want to start up your garden? Like if you're a nature person, look at this. Like, that's human end, bro. It's passion, art. All of it in one. I know. I wish like the owner was people who done this art on this garden were here just to explain to me. I ain't got nothing to give them in return, but I just love their work, bro. Okay, we're on the fish side now. Look. I want you to just look at the like plantation, irrigation, where the pipes are connected. Yeah, that's the filtration. Look at all of this, man. What more do you need, bro? But no. People stay, yeah, don't mind the clothes, man. But this is like the entrance. We're out in the nature, man. It's a heavy belated birthday, bro. My nigga Clyde took me here out. Say, nah, nigga, girl and a girlfriend, I'm still gonna go to that side. It's a birthday, bro. I'm gonna take you out. Take you out. It's like that, you do everything. Those are the type of friends who gonna keep it out, man. Friends they gotta think of you when you're not there, and they have their own money, and they just pull up and say, "Come, bro, let's spend. Got some tools here. I gotta go, you know, get this." What do you want you to live here, bro? It's not a mansion, bro. Look at this, man, and all of this, bro. You don't need a mansion, bro. You just need nature. Take it, like the house. All that you're seeing now, as the people stay in that little house. Like, look at what they own, bro. We're going to the fish now, right? think you can see the entrance. That's the fish. Going this side. Let me just, before I show you any fish, before you see even a single fish. I don't know why these ones are closed. Maybe the fish jumps out. But before I show you any fish, man, let's talk about the nature. That's surrounding us. I'll live here forever. I don't think if you stay here, you're gonna be sick. White fish, bro. I never seen a white fish. Bro, it's a white. Look at these fishes, bro. Look at that, bro. White fish, bro. Okay. White fish. Bro, I never thought my fish would be white. Because you look at it, the white and yellow. Wow, man. It's a net, but I didn't think this camera was just like beneath the net and the inside circle fish. Not even seeing the net, just one circle fish. Let me show you some fish that you can look around. Look how it's there that I walk around this way. Few fresh air, tanks. I don't know what this room is. I don't feel like opening it because I don't have all the permission. Yes. For you guys to see some wild fish. Dang. Man. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. It's crazy, man. And we got the bigger ones. We got the bigger ones. These are the big ones. Let me check. I don't like my camera. See what's on the net.